Two NFL personnel sources said Friday that they'd heard the Eagles were getting close to trading quarterback Carson Wentz, as Colts general manager Chris Ballard was telling an Indianapolis radio show that he is exploring lots of options to replace retiring quarterback Philip Rivers. Indianapolis seems a likely landing place if Wentz is traded, since the head coach there is Frank Reich, Wentz's offensive coordinator with the Eagles for his first 2 years in the league. The Colts are expected to hire Press Taylor, the Eagles' former quarterbacks coach and passing game coordinator, who is close to Wentz. Ballard's quote about exploring options was in response to a question about possibly trading for Wentz, and it certainly was not a denial. However, Ballard also said, "There's no trade going down right now. Not today, not the Colts." In the wake of the recent trade that sent Matt Stafford to the Los Angeles Rams and Jared Goff to the Detroit Lions, the current quarterbacking market would seem to include Indianapolis, Chicago, Denver, and Carolina, at least. The Eagles' Super Bowl season quarterbacks coach, John DeFilippo, is the Bears' QB coach these days. A trade there would reunite Wentz with Nick Foles, which would be so weird, it almost seems destined to happen. The biggest stories for Philly's biggest sports fans. Sources also said that Eagles general manager Howie Roseman has placed a high asking price on Wentz, which probably would translate into multiple draft picks. The NFL Network reported Friday that teams have been asking the Eagles about the price for Wentz, 28, who signed a 4-year, $128 million contract extension in 2019. The Eagles would incur an NFL record $33.8 million dead cap charge if they traded Wentz, but their cap picture beyond 2021 would look much better than it looks now, and Wentz's cost to the acquiring team wouldn't be terribly expensive for a starting QB. The new team could opt out after 2 more years and about $47.4 million. The Eagles traded up twice to draft Wentz second overall in 2016, and they looked like geniuses in 2017 when Wentz broke the franchise record for touchdown passes in a season, with 33, and was the league's best third-down passer, 123.7 rating. His 116.0 rating in the red zone that season also was the NFL's best. KHALIFA staff photographer Will Jalen Hurts left succeed Carson Wentz as the Eagles' franchise QB? Having the 6th overall pick in the 2021 draft might complicate the picture. Wentz didn't disparage the pick publicly, but he was not happy to see the team, its talent base aging, pass up a major chance to add a player who would help him win in favor of drafting his potential successor. Whether Hurts was the reason for it or not, Wentz went on to post shockingly awful numbers in the worst season of his career, until he was replaced by the rookie in a Week 13 loss to the Packers. Hurts ran the team the rest of the season. Wentz completed just 57.